Hey everybody, welcome to Heavy Metal. Today we're going to be having a little fun with some 22. I brought out my little Smith & Wesson. This is the 622. This is an older one. I've had this thing for a while. Great little pistol. And we're shooting some CCI, just basic 40 grain lead round nose. What I call just good ammo for coming out to the range and blinking with. And what we want to know is how many of these sponges it'll take to either stop it or will the 22 go through all of them. There is 6 of them in here. There are basic sponges with they're called nail guard sponges. They got that rough stuff on them right there, which I'm not sure, never shot anything like this that I can remember. I had to pause it, stop, answer the phone because it looked like somebody important. No, it's about insurance. Oh, we're going to shoot a phone someday, I guarantee you that. But let's get back to what we was doing. Alright, on these sponges, I don't remember if I've ever shot anything like this. I've shot so much stuff. And you know how it is, you got a couple dollars in your pocket and you're at the Dollar Tree. And that's what I did this Sunday, just picked up some various stuff to try and make some fun videos out of it. So, out of these 6 sponges that we have here, how many do y'all think it'll take to stop that 22 LR? And what we got here in the concrete block, and I was a little worried if the bullet went all the way through that it might ricochet off of that block. So I took this, what is this, a 3A? So it's Ace Link armor that we had left over. And I'm going to do this like that. That way it's got something to push against. And I think that will be just a safer way to do it. I'll just stand over right here and pow. And we'll just see what that does for us. But let me get this all set up, move the cameras around. Y'all throw down in the comments how many you think it'll take to stop that 22 LR. Alright, get all the cameras set up and ready. Let's grab us some ears. Oh, excuse me. Grab one of our CCIs out of here. Like I say, guys, these are just the basic lead nose stuff. Hollow point or anything fancy or big money. And we just happen to have a nice wind come along, and it wants to move our stuff. Well, that is just not nice at all. There, maybe a 2x4 will keep the wind from blowing it over. I can just see the second I pull the trigger, whoop, there it goes. Let's get this shot before the wind does that. Like I say, I think it's going to take 5 to stop them, just wild guess. So let's see what we think. Alright, eye level, I'm only about a couple feet away. And the round didn't go off. Don't tell me I got a bad round. Alright, try it again. There we go. Ah, I'd assume that pistol needs some cleaning. Grab my camera here and get it out of the way. Alright, well, we got a little bit of a pop out of it. Move that handy dandy 2x4. So, oh wow, unbelievable. I think I see right there a hole. There's our, you plainly see our entrance right there. And apparently, yeah, an exit right there. So once again, I should have bought 2 packages of them things. I hate when I do that. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. But I'll tell you what, don't want to spoil this video by not being able to stop that 22. Let's do this. Get up there a little further. Still have some of these napkins. There's 150 of them. I am going to use these in another chute. Now there's already a hole through right here where I previously used it, but let's just set this up real quick and do a second take on this, because we know they're going to go through the sponges, 22. The second one might not, but the first one did. And then we have 150 napkins behind that. So that'll give us a little bit of resistance. So now, second guess. After it goes through the sponges, how many of these napkins is it going to take to stop it? Makes it a little more interesting, and gives us a chance to try to catch this 22. All right, grab our ears again. Grab another one of our CCIs. And well, maybe this time we can catch that 22. At least I hope so. Alright, well, try number 2. There again, I'm a couple feet away from it. We are clear. Oh, let's see what that does. There's our entrance. I'm gonna bring the camera down here where the light's a little better, y'all. Y'all can see the entrance. It was real close to the other one. And so was the exit, just a shade below it. And you can see where it went in them napkins, right there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It went through all them napkins and into the bulletproof vest. Well, it sure did. Didn't go no further than that first layer right there. But it did. Now that was a trip. Well, I gotta say, that one surprised me. I thought sure we would at least catch it 22 in them napkins, but we didn't. Well, goes to show you, you know, 22 long rifle do a little bit more than what most people think. You know, especially shooting it out of a decent handgun. I think this is like a 4-inch barrel on this model, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, the little CCIs were cooking it and went through both of our products. That was a trip. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed shooting it. Like I say, even took a second try to catch that bullet, but not today. Well, if y'all would, throw me down some comments, questions, suggestions. I always appreciate it. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it much. Until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.